Hi, this is Shanthan from Express Computer, and today we are here in the 39th edition of Technology Sabha in Hyderabad. Today I am joined by a very special guest. We have Miss Ameeta Roy, Solutions Architecture Leader APAC of Red Hat. Hi Ameeta, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So you have been here for the last couple of days. Like you've interacted with so many leaders, so many bureaucrats from across the country, from the central government of India, from the different state departments. So how has your experience been, and what is your biggest takeaway from that?
The experience has been great. The biggest takeaway is, and it's really energizing to see that all these bureaucrats, they are policy makers, they're decision makers. There's so much of thrust on data, digital platforms, on governance, and on AI. It's very encouraging to see that there is so much focus from the government of India in getting this right, and getting it right for citizen services that are at scale. And we know the kind of population we have in India, right? To be able to get this at citizen scale, I think is amazing to hear about the various IT initiatives that are happening.
I think you mentioned two very keywords, AI and governance. I'll come to that. But tell me something like, as a part of the discussions you had with the different leaders over here, what is a gap that you noticed in the industry?
Okay. The gap largely is how can we move, some of the AI pilots into production? Because there's a lot of work that's going on in terms of, modernizing the infrastructure, getting the data governance right, etc. But how do we move from experimentation to really make it practical in production?
And do you have any partnerships already with the central or any state governments as of now?
Yeah, we have been working with the government of India for several years now, because that Red Hat, is an open source technology leader, and fortunately for us, the government of India has also, a lot of. Has also placed a lot of importance on open stores, open standards, etc. So we have partnered with the government on several very, very visible, initiatives, digital initiatives across the years in various spheres. And I was very happy to see many of those, departments today showcasing some of the work that they're doing.
Thanks so much, Amita. Thanks for joining us over here at Technology Sabha, 39th edition of it in Hyderabad. Thank you so much.